How to block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. I'll show you the quick way to block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. Do watch the video till the end. Now, without much ado, let's get started. Launch Facebook app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your account. Tap three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll a bit down, locate the option for blocking. Here are all the list of the blocked people of Facebook. To unblock someone, tap on block button. As you can see, we have to wait for 48 hours if we wish to block this user again. So let's tap on block. Although there is no any shortcut in order to block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours, but there is an alternative way. Tap arrow at the top left corner of the screen and come to the home menu page. And open the profile of the same user. Once you are here, tap three dots next to message and now tap report profile. Tap something about this profile and tap something else. Now tap done. And once you are done with that, so now you can actually instantly block their profile. That's it. That's how we easily block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. I hope this video worked. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, comment and share this content. Subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips.